Welcome to Auto Junction. If you're passionate about luxury, performance, and design that defines the future, then you're in the right place. Before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss the latest updates from the world of automotive innovation. Today, we're diving deep into something truly extraordinary, the 2027 Bentley Motorhome, a rolling mansion that takes elegance and power to a whole new level. Stay with me till the end because what Bentley has created here is more than a vehicle, it's a masterpiece on wheels. At first glance, the 2027 Bentley Motorhome is breathtaking. Bentley's signature design language of timeless luxury blends perfectly with a futuristic, aerodynamic body that's sculpted for perfection. The massive front grille, adorned with the classic Bentley wings, gives the vehicle a bold identity. The sleek LED matrix headlights flow seamlessly into the contoured body lines, creating a commanding road presence. From every angle, the Bentley Motorhome reflects a fusion of class and cutting-edge technology. The exterior isn't just about looks, it's engineered for performance and efficiency, using lightweight aluminum and carbon fiber materials to reduce drag and improve stability. Chrome accents, panoramic glass panels, and retractable side steps add a touch of sophistication that makes this motorhome look like it belongs in a luxury villa collection rather than on the highway. Moving to the side profile, the length and proportions are balanced with elegance. The design emphasizes smooth continuity from front to rear, and the giant 22-inch alloy wheels, custom-made with Bentley's distinctive pattern, complete the premium look. The rear features sleek LED taillights and a power liftgate that reveals a generous cargo area. Every detail, from the sculpted vents to the brushed metal finishes, speaks of craftsmanship at its finest. The motorhome even includes a retractable roof section that expands into an open lounge mode, perfect for scenic getaways or luxury camping experiences. Step inside, and you'll enter a world of pure indulgence. The interior of the 2027 Bentley Motorhome redefines what comfort means on the road. It feels more like a luxury penthouse than a vehicle. The cabin is hand-finished with the finest materials, from diamond-stitched leather upholstery to sustainable wood veneers and polished aluminum trims. Ambient lighting runs across the cabin, creating a relaxing and inviting atmosphere. Bentley's signature craftsmanship ensures that every seam, every button, and every texture feels perfect. The spacious living area features electronically adjustable reclining seats, a foldable dining setup, and even a fully equipped kitchenette with premium appliances. Technology is at the heart of the experience. A massive touchscreen infotainment system dominates the dashboard, offering AI-assisted navigation, smart home connectivity, and entertainment options. Voice commands allow you to control temperature, lighting, and even the curtains with ease. The digital cockpit combines traditional analog elegance with a futuristic interface that displays everything from vehicle performance to 3D terrain maps. The sound system, developed in collaboration with Naim Audio, transforms the cabin into a private concert hall with crystal-clear acoustics. In the rear section, the motorhome offers a bedroom suite that feels like a five-star hotel on wheels. There's a full-size bed with memory foam, retractable blinds, and even a skylight for stargazing at night. The bathroom is equally impressive, featuring a rainfall shower, heated floors, and Bentley-branded fixtures. Every inch of the interior is designed to make long journeys effortless and incredibly comfortable. It's not just about traveling, it's about living luxuriously wherever you go. Now let's talk about what powers this majestic motorhome. The 2027 Bentley Motorhome comes equipped with a hybrid V8 engine paired with an electric drive unit, producing an astonishing 700 horsepower. The result is effortless acceleration, smooth torque delivery, and quiet cruising even at high speeds. Bentley's engineers have perfected the air suspension system, ensuring an ultra-smooth ride no matter the terrain. Whether you're gliding through city streets or exploring off-grid landscapes, this motorhome feels stable, responsive, and remarkably refined. Performance isn't just about speed, it's about control. Advanced all-wheel drive technology, adaptive traction management, and regenerative braking work together to deliver precision and efficiency. The electric-only mode provides a silent, emission-free range of around 80 miles, ideal for urban travel or camping sites. Despite its massive size, the 2027 Bentley Motorhome handles like a dream thanks to rear-wheel steering and intelligent weight distribution. And then there's the price. Luxury like this comes at a cost, and Bentley's 2027 Motorhome is expected to start around $1.5 million, with bespoke customization options pushing it even higher. But for those who can afford it, this isn't just transportation, it's an expression of ultimate sophistication and freedom. So, what do you think? The 2027 Bentley Motorhome isn't just about getting from one place to another, it's about enjoying every moment of the journey in unmatched luxury and power. From its stunning design to its futuristic features, Bentley has once again proven that innovation and elegance can coexist in perfect harmony. If you enjoyed this detailed review, don't forget to hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and most importantly, subscribe to Auto Junction for more exclusive reviews and automotive deep dives just like this. Until next time, this is Auto Junction, where passion meets performance, and every drive is an experience worth remembering.